Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something super exciting, smolagents by Huggingface. We'll first explore their blog, which provides an incredible overview, and then walk through the code to help you get started with your own smolagent projects. Let's get into it. Huggingface recently introduced smolagents, and I can't wait to share what makes them so fascinating. According to the blog, smolagents are lightweight, minimalistic tools designed to help us achieve tasks efficiently without relying on large-scale infrastructure. They're perfect for creating robust workflows for tasks like summarization, text generation, or even creative work like generating storylines. One standout feature? They're optimized for resource efficiency, so you don't need a supercomputer to use them. The blog is packed with practical examples that walk you through setting up and running these agents. It's an amazing starting point if you're new to Agentic AI. I'll link it in the description, so you can check it out later. Now that we've covered the blog basics, let's dive into the fun part, exploring the code. I've prepared a Jupyter notebook to demonstrate how you can use smolagents step by step. Let's go. We'll kick things off by creating a simple Q&A agent using the Qwen 2.5 Coder 32B instruct model. This agent can process Python code directly. For example, let's ask it, what is the 50th Fibonacci number? The agent executed the computation and returned the result, 12586269025. This demonstrates how easily smolagents can handle logic-based tasks. Let's step it up by connecting the agent to the web using the DuckDuckGo search tool. This allows it to retrieve real-time information. Here's the prompt. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And there you go. The agent fetched live information from the web and answered correctly, Narendra Modi. With this setup, you can dynamically combine AI with live data sources. Now, let's try something creative, generating images. Using Huggingface's image generation models, we'll prompt it to generate an image of futuristic cityscape. Check this out. The AI brought our vision to life with a stunning, photorealistic image. Text-to-image models like this make creativity boundless. Here's something niche but useful. We've created a tool to find the most downloaded models on Huggingface for specific tasks. For example, let's ask, what is the most downloaded sentence similarity model? The agent identified the most popular model, Sentence Transformers /all Mini-LM L6 V2. You can use this approach to streamline your model selection process for projects. For the finale, we'll combine all these agents into a single system. This lets us streamline tasks and make them even more powerful. Let's try it with, who is the CEO of OpenAI? The system seamlessly fetched the result, Sam Altman. By coordinating multiple agents, you can solve complex tasks effortlessly. And that's it for today's video. We explored smolagents by Huggingface, built a Q&A agent, integrated web searches, generated stunning images, and even created custom tools. These lightweight agents open up endless possibilities for AI-powered projects. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what AI project would you like me to build next. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.